morning. I'm Dr. Deuk at the Deuk Spine Institute. I'm here with one of my patients who just had back surgery yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Now you had a fusion, right?
Yes.
Spinal fusion, decompression and fusion. And for the people that watched the surgery yesterday live, we took out the L5 lamina. We removed some of the bones that were like stuck down, causing bone spurs, pinching your nerves. And then we put a spacer in between your bones and some bone graft, and then we put in screws and rods at L5 and S1 on both sides with a crosslink. So it's really a decompression, osteotomy to correct the deformity at L5-S1, and then instrumented fusion. And your surgery took about 3 hours total, skin to skin, and by the time we got you out of the operating room. You lost about 100 cc's of blood, and we sent you home several hours later. Here you are today for your post-op day checkup. How are you feeling?
Feel great.
Okay, good.
Awesome.
Now, why did you have your fusion surgery done yesterday?
So I was in pain. A lot of pain.
Back pain.
Back pain.
Yeah.
Severe back pain.
Severe back pain. And would you say that if the surgery is done properly, it can cure that pain?
Yes.
So you can notice a difference even today?
Night and day.
Night and day. So you have pain obviously today from the surgery, which we
Correct.
did, which was invasive. But the pain you had before surgery,
Down the legs, gone. Numbness, gone.
and the back pain
Back pain.
that you had before.
Yeah, not
Gone.
there. Just
Gone.
with stitches on staples.
Yeah, so the
That's
back pain's gone, the leg symptoms are gone.
Correct.
How long did you have that back pain for?
2 years.
2 years, okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, anything else you want to tell the audience?
No, I'm a great guy right here.
Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Does a tremendous job.
And you didn't do this at the hospital, did you?
No.
Where was it
Right here
done?
in his office.
Yeah, surgery center. At the Surgery Center of Viera. Congratulations.
Awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I'm excited
Greatly
for you
appreciate
guys. You're welcome. My pleasure.